Oh my God. Come on, baby. I love this. Can I get this another time?
Where is that sound coming from?
Baby, harder.
Let them come out. Let me congratulate the two couples. What's the problem?
I was raped.
You were what?
I was raped.
They kill fee. Is it today or before or 2 years ago?
Somebody just raped me and they just left.
But the soundtrack we were giving was the right soundtrack for the right message.
If somebody is enjoying something, won't somebody make the right soundtrack again?
Scope it. So you are even enjoying it. Next time, try to pass the right information so that people will know how to rescue you. Please, next time, pass the right information so that people will know how to rescue you or help you out. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel also for more videos of comedy.